Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Sorry it's been a while. And sorry if you hear kids in the background. I got my nieces here and my nephew. So I'll try to put music over the video or something like that. I don't know. I'm still learning how to do all this. But yeah, we're gonna make some lotion. I got this kit thing from a thrift store. So I'm gonna try it out and see what happens. Okay. First, I want to separate this into another bowl. Half of it.
Is someone watching?
No, I'm recording though. Blake, no. Okay, so I got half of my lotion base. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, I got half of my lotion base in a separate bowl because I'm doing a different color. Says first right here to. Okay, so it says right here on step 1 to separate the color, like the mixture, if you want to do different colors. And then put the mic in. I'm going to do blue and pink to make purple because they only give you blue, pink, and yellow. So I'm going to take a little bit of blue. I'll put it in here.
Ooh.
And a little bit of pink as well. Put the lids back on here so none of the kids spill them. And then you just take the wooden stick they gave you. Hi. So I got some blue and pink in there. Now I'm just going to mix it a little bit. May have to add some more. Luna, stop it, girl. Oh, get the puppy.
Luna.
She's moving the camera.
Here.
Oh, careful.
Baby.
There you go. Thank you, sweetie. I'm going to bring you guys back when this is done mixing. Okay, so put that down, Blake. Thank you. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, now that I have it all mixed together, I got this pretty purple. Uh-huh. Now it says to put 3 drops of the fragrance oil it gives you. I got the lavender. I'm going to use lavender. But they also gave you vanilla and rose. So I'm going to put 3 drops in here and then mix it together. 1, 2, 3.
Where is that?
What?
This dropping it. Is it right here?
Shows you doing it right there in that picture. I'm going to pause and mix this together and I'll be right back. Okay. Say hi if you want. Go ahead. Say it.
Hi.
Alright, I have it all mixed together. I got the scent in there. Smells good. Alright. Okay, so I got the lotion in the little bowl here. And then I got the label put on there. Lavender. My niece just said hello.
I have a dog.
But yeah, so this is a nice little kit. I mean, I'll do another video doing another scent later. But right now I'm only doing this. And I will also do a video on making the perfume bars that it's supposed to make, that you can make anyway.
What is that?
I don't know. I have to figure it out, sweetie. But yeah, that's the lotion. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.